welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a huge haul because I was sick. I had viral fever, so the only thing that I could do was sit on my bed and window shop, online shop, etc, etc. So I did a lot of shopping and today I'm going to do a haul. So let's get started. I'll show you my set of shoes first. I got 3 shoes on this sale season, and this is the box that came. It's Dorothy Perkins and I got this from Jabong. It came only day before yesterday and I really loved it. It is in the color peach. It's a peach colored wedge heels. I only wear either wedge heels or platforms because I cannot wear stilettos. It is really uncomfortable and I also don't prefer flats, so I always end up buying wedges. So this is the first one that I got. This was for 3,190, but I got it on discount, flat 50% discount, and I bought it for 1,500 rupees. It is very pretty. I don't know, the color is not getting reflected on camera, but it is a very cute peach colored shoe. And then you have this wooden thing here. I think the heel is 3 inch or 3.5, I'm not very sure. And you have this buckle thing. I have not taken off the wrapper. It has a buckle thing here. Yeah, I think basically it's a very nice shoe and I got it at such a nice discount. So I got this one. The second shoe is this black wedge heels again. I got this from Shoppers Stop. It's from the brand Dress Mode. So I really like this shoe as well. It's again a wedge heels. I have worn it, so it's quite dirty. It was raining in Delhi. And yeah, so it also has the same buckle kind of a thing here, so you can adjust according to your size of the shoe. So it's a really simple design, nothing fancy in it, and it's really ladylike. The last shoe that I got is this. These are strappy heels platforms that I got from the online store SSS. Now I like this shoe, but I'm not really a fan of it because when you wear it, here it fits perfectly fine, but here it's a little bit loose. So also I think that this will not last me that much. Oh, I completely forgot to tell you the price. This was for 1,500. Again, this is for 3,000 rupees. I got for flat 50% discount. So this is also for 1,500. This was for 750 rupees, no discount I think, I don't know. So it's from the online shopping site. I'll leave the links down below. It's quite a comfortable shoe, a very sturdy heel, but the only thing is that this portion is quite big for me. People who have broad feet, I think it will fit them, but for me it was a complete no because of the huge front portion here. It's a kind of a 50-50 for me, yes, no, both. I also got a closed shoe from this particular store, online store, a couple of months back, and it was perfect. But I think because it was closed, there is not much of fitting to be done. So yeah, I think closed shoe would be a better deal if you have to buy from this store, SSS. On top of that, the only disadvantage is you cannot exchange the shoe. You can only exchange the size, but you cannot exchange this shoe for another one, so that's a drawback. The next thing that I got from H&M is this dress. It's a very simple dress. So it has this thready thing in the front. You have to wear an inner with it, and it has this midsection, and then it has this flary skirt, and it's quite nice. It complements your figure quite a lot. It is mid-length, and yeah, so this was on sale for 1,000 rupees, and I got this one from H&M Select City Walk. The next thing that I got from Saket, again, it's a skirt from a store, and now this is a newly opened store in J Block, Saket. So this is a long skirt, comes up to the ankles, and it's quite flary. Yeah, if you can see the flare, I don't know if you can. So it's quite a flary skirt. It's in turquoise blue, and it has this rubbery thing in the waist area, and it really is a very pretty skirt, very long and very nice. So I thought, why not buy this skirt? Also I can wear it as a dress. So if you have a bohemian party, or if you are going for a beach outfit, then you can wear this as a dress as well. It fits completely nicely on your chest area, and it has such a nice flow. So I thought, yeah, okay, let's buy it. So I got this one. This I don't know the price of. It must be somewhere around 800 rupees to 1000 rupees, because I got it as a gift from a friend. So yeah, let's go to the next thing. This is a top I got from Pantaloons. They had a huge sale and I got this from Pantaloons. It is a very simple top, stripes, plain here with a zipper, golden zipper on the back. This was for around 350 to 400 rupees, and I think it was a good deal just to throw on yourself when you don't want to dress up. Wear a jeans, take your bag and head out. So yeah, from Pantaloons. From Pantaloons again I got this chunni, so I thought maybe I can wear it in office. So it's a simple chunni, yeah, with this pattern, and very nice green color. I really like this color. You cannot find green most of the time, so yeah, it's a very pretty nice color. The next thing I got from Pantaloons is this kurti, and it's a very nice one from Rangmanch. This was for around 900 rupees, 1000 rupees. I got it 50% discount for I think 500. And yeah, I really like the buttons here on the side, so it's not in the middle as it usually is, but it's on the side. A little flare is there, and I really liked it. You can wear this even with palazzos and all, and it looks really nice. Yeah, so this was a 500 rupees. The next thing I'll show you is this kurti from Aurelia. Yeah, it's yellow, bright yellow one with the typical Aurelia design on the front and on your wrists. Yeah, and it's mid-length again, a little lower than your knees, so it's nice. This was also for 700 rupees. I got it for 400 I think on discount. So again, a very nice yellow colored kurti from Aurelia. This I got from Sabhyata. This is a white one, very Gujarati I think. I mean the design here, I really liked it. It's black and white with the front design embroidered, and you have this work, black and silver work. It's a very nice material. This was for I think again 450 to 500 rupees. I don't really remember, but somewhere around 500 rupees. The last thing that I got from Pantaloons are these earrings. I got it from the earring section, and it's such a nice bluey color. It has a very nice shine. It is in the pattern of a leaf, so an upturned leaf, and yeah, I really liked it. This was for 150 rupees after discount, and yeah, I think this will last me a long time, and I'll be wearing it many times because it will go with everything. Now that we are into accessories, I'll show you this beautiful neck piece that I got from Janpat. Look at the shine and look at the design. I mean, you get these kind of neck pieces elsewhere as well, like Sarojini on the roadside, but they are not shiny. They are not as good quality as this one. I got this from a shop in Janpat. I think it was shop number 15. You will see it in the vlog, and it has such a nice shine to it. So it fits perfectly on your neck because it has such a long strap. You can adjust accordingly. Yeah, so I really loved it. It was for 200 rupees. He said 450 rupees. Of course they will quote 450, but I brought it down to 150. He did not agree, so I got it for 200 rupees because I really liked it. The next earring that I got from Janpat are these two. It is in beige color, almost nude, and I really liked it. You also get a duplicate version of this for 30 rupees in Janpat only. So if you see the vlog, you will understand what I mean. So this I got 50 rupees. Similarly, I got another earring. This is for my sister. Yeah, I got this one. This was also for 50 rupees, and it's really nice. Nothing more to it, but it's black and golden, and I really like the combination of black and golden. The next thing that I got are from Sarojini. I think all of these are from Sarojini, so I'll start with a dress first. Such a beautiful dress. I mean, I really love the embroidery work that is going on here on the body. It has a really nice green and fluorescent blue and gold in it, and on the base of a beige dress it looks lovely. On the back you have these buttons, 4-5 buttons, and it gives detailing to it. It gives the design to the dress, which is so simple. It is mid-length and it has quarter sleeves, and he gave it to me for 200 rupees. I went on a Monday, so beat whatever I said. So yeah, 200 rupees. I love this dress. I got this from the same shop and it was so cheap. He gave it to me for 100 rupees. So this is a simple dress. It's a really baggy kind of a dress, so you can wear this, and maybe I can wear a canvas, so it can accentuate the casual look. So I liked it. For 100 rupees I couldn't say no, so I got this. It's a very simple dress with a zipper on the back which goes on till like your waist area, so it's long zipper. The next thing that I got is this top. It's a very flimsy synthetic top, and I only got it because of the color. It's in mauve color and I really liked the feel of it. It was for 50 rupees on a Monday market, and that is also one of the primary reason I got it. It was so inexpensive that I couldn't say no. It has this pleats in the front, and then you have this thready thing, and on your arms you have this, and it's again a very nice top for 50 rupees. The next thing that I got is this jhola. So this is for 50 rupees again. So I really like these kind of jhola for a very casual outing. So if I want to go to any market, street shop, I can carry this. It has also a zipper, so it's very safe. So if it's in the shape of a boat, right? And if you open it, you have the zipper here, and if you open it, it is quite deep and it's really sturdy. So I thought, why not for 50 rupees? If you can pair it up with the right kind of clothes, I mean jeans and tops, then it will look really nice. So yeah, for 50 rupees, good deal. The last thing from Sarojini is this pajama kind of a thing that I got, and it's really comfortable. You can wear it below your kurti, or you can just wear it while you sleep as a sleepwear. And it has this design, very beautiful dotted design, and it has a rubbery thing on the top. This was for 200 rupees, and it's in a very nudish color, so I really like the color as well. The next thing that I want to show you that I'm really happy about is this lamp. It's such a cute electric lamp. You just have to plug it in on your socket and it will light up because it has a bulb inside, and it looks so lovely. And it's just not a lamp. You can put in 2-3 drops of essential oil here. On the top there is this crater kind of a thing. It gives such a nice fragrance. I got this from Select City Walk, so if you are a regular visitor in Select City Walk, you might have noticed these small stalls in the middle of these stores. So I got this from there. You know, whenever you go to the mall, please always give attention to these kind of small stalls. These are so pretty and they sell it for reasonable price as well. So whenever I go to Select City Walk, I always make it a point that I go there and check out their stuff, because they have such cute, lovely stuff there on the stalls in the middle of those stores in the mall. It will make such a cute, nice gift as well. You have these 2 buttons here, so if you want very bright light, this button. If you like dimmer light, you can use this button, and this would be the middle would be the off button. The last thing that I want to show you, for which I am so excited, is this very pretty mirror. Look at this mirror. I mean, it is so nice. I got this from Sadar Bazaar. I went to Sadar Bazaar some weeks back. I had always wanted this kind of a mirror, and look at this. You can just roll it here or roll it there. So both sides has mirrors. Yeah, it's so lovely. If you can see the design here, it reminds me of a vintage Victorian era mirror. So that's why I got this. I actually went there looking for a classic round mirror, which are always there in beauty shops or in spectacle shops, etc. But when I saw this, I was like, yes, I want this Victorian mirror and not anything else. This was only for 250 rupees. Maybe because I got it from Sadar Bazaar, so I was very pleased with this one. So these are all the stuff that I got in the last 1 month period when sale was going on. I will leave the links down below. Wherever I can leave links, I'll leave it down below, so please check the description box. And if you like the video, please give it a big old thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because then you'll get notification for my future videos. And thank you to each and every one of you for subscribing to my channel. Right now we have crossed 1100 and I'm so excited about it. 3 months and we have crossed 1100. That's such a good deal. Thank you to each one of you from the bottom of my heart, and I'll see you next time. Bye.